or Pryn Honda if you're joining us in the afternoon. I'm still Liv, it's still Rubbish Crafts. We're making plastic bottle boats today so they don't go in the bin or onto landfill. They're gonna go in our baths so we can play with them.
You will need a bottle, card, scissors, paintbrushes, paint, glue, an extra lid, and I used a gift bag, but you could use anything that you want to decorate your flag.
When you have finished, yours should look a little something like this. We can fix it, it's okay. When you have finished, yours should look a little something like this.
Step 1. Cut out a rectangle on one side of the bottle. Remember to ask for help when using the scissors because this is quite a difficult one to cut out. Step 2. Sand it down using sandpaper so it isn't sharp. Step 3. Cut out a piece of card that will fit nicely inside your bottle. Paint or decorate this piece of card and leave it to one side to dry. Step 4. Draw a trapezium shape on a thin piece of card and cut it out. Then I used a recycled gift bag and stuck that to the piece of card I just cut out and cut around the outside. I painted the back of this to match the interior of the boat. Step 5. Using a pencil, poke a hole through the top and bottom of your little flag. Stick a pencil or a stick through the holes. Step 6. Poke a hole through the spare lid that you have and the pencil or stick that your sail is on, you need to slot that into that hole. Step 7. Glue your sail to the piece of card. Step 8. Glue the card down inside of the boat.
Well done everyone! I've no doubt you've done a shamazing job on your bottle boat. Please, please, please send me a picture so I can show Guion because he is absent as ever today. But we're definitely going to have a race in a bit and mine is definitely going to win. See ya!